Right, next cut. It's another one. Cut both sides. We know that that one's on, so scribing this one in would be ideally the one that you want to go. But like I said, when you're coming from that side and you're putting the tile into a board, you then get all the other marks that you wouldn't get otherwise. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in up that end first. So it does take a bit off the end there. So that's telling me that there's, you know, both walls are square there, so that's quite handy to know. Okay, so now we've got another big shot. This one I'm going to be dropping it down, because obviously you're not going to be able to drop it that way because this is in the way, so it's going to hinder it. I don't think you'll be able to get a holly board in there, no, that's going to push it past it. So yeah, it's a good example of why, you know, you have the other board. So first things first, just use a look left. Get her in place. Get her up with a chewy. 1 inch. And a stand. I mean, you could put the end one on there as well, couldn't you? But it would just be this one there, because you're dropping it this one, it almost makes that one net. So I'm just going to get this one done first and think all the time whether joining on the end will work out. So where's the first? Right, so I'm just going to check the 45 here. So it doesn't reach that end bit yet, so we've just got this one here to manoeuvre, haven't we? So see, that is on my mark there, isn't it? So that's telling me that bit's square. That one's a standard, so you know that's going to be coming across there. So just be that little cut out there, which we, if I use the Jeff square to just double check it, you know. Sometimes it's a pain in the ass doing it all the time, but if you want the cut right, you know, it's got to be square off the field. Okay, so that one's going to be the cut out for there. Notice my left hand is, look, I think it just pulls it down. It's such a natural process for me, and it will do for you after a little while. And as well as it wasn't comfortable to begin with, it's oh, it's there now, baby. Still thinking about that one, but Okay. Right, now this one